Welcome to the SolaX instructional installation video series. We will guide you through the installation and commissioning of SolaX X1-Lite-LV. Before installation, please note the following installation environment requirements. Open the package and check the materials and accessories according to the following list. Please prepare the following tools available to help the installation. Let's take a look at the surface of the Lite-LV inverter. The inverter supports meter or CT connection. Here is taken CT connection as an example. Punch holes in the bracket to hang it on the wall. Unscrew the screws and remove the cover. It supports lead-acid batteries or SolaX's LD53. You can make battery choices to suit your needs. For battery connection, strip the cable by wire stripper. Use a crimping tool to squish the terminal. When using lead-acid batteries, please remember to insert the temperature sensor. Connect the PV cable. Only one of the meter and CT connections can be selected in the same meter or CT port. Meter cable goes to pin terminal 4 and 5, CT cable goes to pin terminal 3 and 6. Please note the direction of the CT. After the connection is done, please use fireproof mud to seal the waterproof cover. Please put the decorative cover on after tighten the screws. If the battery is connected, but PV and grid are not connected, turn on the battery button at the left side of the inverter, press and hold the battery button until the screen is on. If PV or grid is connected, skip this step. Turn on the system button at the left side of the inverter, the red light will light up. Then the inverter will start automatically and go waiting, checking, and normal status in sequence.